my name is Namir and I will be presenting the topic Big Data applied to security in the business world as part of the recruitment process of British Telecom. Let's take a look to some slides in order to approach the subject.
First, we will explain some definitions. Then, we will have a look to the ways of solving the problem, from the general to the specific cases. Finally, we will sum up the important ideas. Big data is a wide concept and is currently becoming very important in a lot of technological sectors and companies. It is usually associated with the 4 V's, which are variety, data can take several forms; volume, it is important the scaling of data; velocity, working with streaming data can be a challenge; and finally, veracity, data has uncertainty. Moreover, several technologies related to this topic are a trend right now. Having a look to the Gartner hype cycle for emerging technologies, we can distinguish machine learning or deep learning almost in the peak of the graph, which shows us the dimension of the big data world. Regarding the other concept, information security stands for managing the processes, tools, and policies necessary to prevent, detect, document, and counter threats to digital and non-digital information. Most of the companies, even not technological ones, are seeking to optimize the information security in order to have robust processes and systems. How can big data solve this challenge? Let's see it in the next slides. Taking a look into the current business world, we can say that companies are handling more and more information, which is making them hire cloud services for storage and let the security of some data rely in other companies. Moreover, they count with more computational power to handle this amount of data, as GPUs are now a trend in artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, and they are able to optimize processes or solve problems faster. Furthermore, they count with different kinds of data, electronic or physical, which gives them a lot of flexibility and can help to find correlated data to improve the company's security. To sum up, big data is going to allow them to process the big amount of data in a faster way, taking into account many more factors with very different kind of data. Let's see after that a few examples that what can be done. Now we are going to discuss some concrete ideas on how to improve the information technologies in the business world. First, many companies have a register of the system logs. In the case of British Telecom, for example, it is a big source of information but usually hard to analyze and handle. With machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques and algorithms related to natural language processing, this analysis can be made in real time, and it can be used for different goals such as detecting threats in advance or predict system failures even earlier. Another case where data can be used to train models is to detect an unauthorized access to some kind of information. Finally, we can use convolutional neural networks and speech processing to detect faces and voice respectively, and therefore being able to have a better security in the office. Those are situations where the security of the company can be compromised and big data can help. As we have seen throughout this video, big data can give general and specific solutions to some of the security problems that companies are facing in this era. Therefore, they will have to make an effort in being up to date in the use of these new technologies that emerge from big data world.